thing is sick. Let's go. So the problem with having cars at the house and no garage space is the fact that we have to move them underground down the street all the time because of this stupid ass fucking hail. It drives me nuts. It's like, obviously very fortunate to be able to do this, you know, full time, but it's one of those things that during storm season, man, you really wish you just had the money for a warehouse. Get my seatbelt on. So this car is actually sold already too. It was supposed to get transported yesterday, but unfortunately they brought a normal trailer and we couldn't get it up on the ramps without the front end hitting, so had to cancel it, and now we're gonna have to either have the buyer drive it home or sorry, buyer's either gonna have to drive the car home, but he lives in Boston, which is the problem, so that's 18 hours away. He's not opposed. I told him if you fly out, you can crash at my house for the night. He's a nice guy, by the way. Come party with us in Nashville for the night, and then from there, drive home in the morning. It was either that or spend, you know, $1,800 on a enclosed trailer. It's a tough one. What would you guys do? Drive home the 18 hours and save the money, or just bite the bullet and wait for it to show up at your front door? Me personally, I would not drive the 18 hours. That sounds miserable, especially in this car. All right, well, that's the whole trip. We're now at the parking structure. So it's as easy as that. Just have to do that 5 times. So I always say better safe than sorry. So just leave both of these down here for a little bit. Deal with the rain. You gotta hit something.
I turned AC off, so it should be good.
Perfect. Just beating the storm.
I don't even know where my traction control button is.
Right here, dummy. Should be it. One wheel fuel. Not much, but she's fun. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gents, this is why ours.
Oh my god. There's no chance my truck is going out.
No, they're not that big. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna hit one real quick.
Hit what?
I hit one real quick.
Move around the corner up here.
You think first or second?
I mean, you're not gonna be able to see it on camera. Oh my god.